So good day. Um, this is lesson 3, moment of concurrent and coplanar forces. So moment refers to the turning effect of force. It is the result of multiplying the force by the distance between the line of action of the force and the pivot point or point at which the item will turn. Newton meter is the SI unit for the moment of force. This happens if a force is applied that does not travel through the body's centroid. A moment occurs when a force does not have an equal and opposite force directly along its path of action. Consider two persons pressing on a doorknob from different sides. There is a state of equilibrium when both of them push with equal force. If one of them suddenly jumped back from the door, the other person's push would have no resistance and the door would fly open. A moment was produced by the individual who was still pushing on the door. So, yun yung moment na pag meron daw dalawang tao na nagpe-press sa doorknob from different sides, sa magkabilang sides, halimbawa nasa labas yung isa, tapos yung isa nasa loob. So, magkakaroon ng equilibrium pag pareho sila nag-push ng merong equal force. Pero pag may isa sa kanila na umiwas sa pinto, at yung isa naman sa kanila na person, yung push nun ay magkakaroon ng walang resistance. At syempre, ang mangyayari doon, yung door, magtutuloy-tuloy yan. So, yun yung tinatawag na moment, yung individual na nag-push ng door. Thus, doon naman sa zero moment as a result, because there is no perpendicular distance, the moment of a force will be zero if the line of action of the force passes across the axis of rotation. In terms of resultant force, according to the definition, the moment of a force is zero if the force's line of action passes through the axis of rotation, because there is no perpendicular distance. So, ito yung illustration niya. So, ito yung sa my force at ito yung perpendicular niya na distance dito sa pivot. So, ito yung formula na gagamitan natin pag mag-moment tayo. So, moment is equals to force times distance. So, dito sa problem number 1 natin, compute the moment of force, which is F is equals to 275 pounds and a force P is equals to 200 pounds, about 0.8. So, una natin gagawin, itong si 275 newtons, ito muna yung solve natin. So, apply muna natin yung Pythagorean theorem na naral natin. So, which is yung square root of a squared plus b squared. So, mangyayari dun, since ang fx, which is yung horizontal na distance niya ay 4 at sa vertical distance naman ay 3. So, mangyayari dun, square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared. So, makukuha natin dun ay 5 pag kinalcube. So, ang gagawin natin, itong 275 newtons times yung distance over dun sa Pythagorean theorem. So, for fx is equals to 275 times 4 over 5, ang lalabas dyan ay 220 newtons. Sa fy naman, 275 times 3 over 5 is equals to 165 newtons. So, mag-moment tayo sa KA, sa starting point niya. So, itong dito, nakita nyo naman dito sa point na to, papunta kay A, ang movement na mangyayari dyan ay counterclockwise. Ito yung Fy, ito yung Fx. So, Fx, mas malapit kasi siya pag dito dumaan kesa dito masyado malayo, kaya mangyayari negative siya. Tapos ang distance niya na Fx ay 3, tama. Tapos ang Fy naman negative siya dahil ganun din, ang ikot niya ay counterclockwise. Tapos ang distance niya from A ay 1. 1 lang, tama. So, ang basehan natin dyan, itong 1 meter na to, ito yun. Kaya siya 1. Doon, same naman sa Fx din. Ito yung vertical distance naman, which is yung 3. So, i-apply na natin yung values na nakuha natin, which is yung 220 and 165. So, negative 220 times 3 minus 165 times 1 is equals to negative 825 newtons meters. So, moment tayo at A. Galing naman dito sa arrow tip. So, dahil nasa x-axis naman siya ng A, 0 agad siya, automatic. So, dito naman sa Fy, ang ikot niya ay pag ganun, dahil mas malapit siya dito dumaan, so negative siya, counterclockwise. So, Fy times 5. So, 220 times 0 minus 165 times 5 is equals to negative 825 newtons meters. So, for 200 and naman, ang gagawin natin, same lang din. So, Px is equals to 200 times 2 over square root of 13. So, nakuha natin yung square root of 13 dahil sa paggamit natin ng Pythagorean theorem, which is yung square root of 2 square root, tama, tapos 2 squared plus 3 squared, so magiging square root of 13 siya. So, mangyayari dyan, magiging 110.94 siya, tapos sa Py naman magiging 166.41. So, moment tayo sa A, ito yung starting point. So, magkakaroon yan dito ng lines, tapos mangyayari counterclockwise ulit yung ikot sa x-axis kasi doon siya mas malapit. So, negative siya. Tapos dito naman, ang ikot na ito papunta dito kasi dito siya mas malapit. So, mangyayari clockwise siya, positive siya. So, nakuha natin yung values gagamitin natin. So, negative 110.94 times 3 plus 166.41 times 2 is equals to 0. So, dito naman sa moment at A, from arrow tip, yun lang din yung gagawin. Dito naman magagaling. So, makukuha natin ang value dyan ay 0.